Alright guys, I got a 2008 Honda Civic, alright, and this car had a bad AC fuse, guys. If your AC does not work, guys, go into this fuse box right here. So all you do is you push this, push that, and you should be able to pop this guy open before you change any components like AC compressor or anything. Alright guys, put this in that angle. You see this little guy? Just put it in the same angle. That way you can see. If you go through fuses over here, all right, these will be the same fuses over here in the line here. All right, so if you got 10 amp, we got 10 amp, 7.5, 7.5. All right, so they're in order, right? So if we go into fuses here, and there should be a relay and a fuse for the AC compressor, right? So this one right here, it says MG clutch, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, fourth fuse, all right? 7.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 7.5 amp fuse is for the AC. Between these two, blue 15 is a 7.5 amp fuse. You can pull that fuse by using this puller right here. Just grab on it if you have a bad fuse and just pull it out. And you can put in a new fuse, and you have a lot of spare fuses right here, guys. So just push in the fuse. But you do have spare fuses over here. You could use this one. So I had a bit bad fuse on this one. So what I did was I changed the fuse and the AC works. Also, you have a relay right here, guys. This relay right here is for the AC, guys. Make sure you check that relay right there. Sometimes it's a bad relay, and the relay won't engage, and the AC compressor will not come on, and the AC will not work, all right? So it'll take you like 3 minutes, guys, only to check these two things. You could swap this fuse, this relay with this one right here. And this is for the fan for the radiator. But make sure if it does work, make sure you swap it back, because you don't want to cut off the fan here. You don't want to cut off the radiator fan. And that's it, guys. And thank you. Subscribe. Bye-bye. And I hope this video helped you guys.